In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Pipedrive. Whether you're cleaning up your CRM or need to remove an outdated entry, deleting a contact in Pipedrive is straightforward. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure you're comfortable and confident with managing your contact list. First, let's start by navigating to the Pipedrive website. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Pipedrive's main page. Once you're there, you'll spot the Login option. Go ahead and click that button to proceed. You'll need to enter your login credentials here. If you've forgotten any information, there are options to recover these details, so no worries there. Upon logging in, you'll arrive on your Pipedrive homepage. This is the central hub where all your tasks, pipelines, and management tools reside. Take a moment to get familiar with this page if you're not already, as it serves as the starting point for all your activities within Pipedrive. Next, we're going to navigate to your contacts list. Look for the Contacts tab within your dashboard. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the screen as part of the main navigation menu. Clicking Contacts will take you to a list of all the individuals and organizations you've stored in your Pipedrive account. Scrolling through your contacts, find the specific contact you wish to delete. If you have a long list, you might find it helpful to use the search bar at the top of the list to quickly locate the contact. Once you've found the contact, hover over it. You should see a small menu icon, often depicted as 3 vertical dots. This icon is your gateway to more options. Click on the 3-dot icon. A drop-down menu will appear, offering several choices to manage this contact. Among these options, you'll see the Delete option. Click on Delete. Pipedrive will always ask for confirmation before permanently removing a contact, so a confirmation prompt will pop up. This is an important safety feature to ensure you don't accidentally delete an important contact. If you're sure about this deletion, confirm your choice. Rest assured, this action is final, so be certain that you no longer need the contact or their information before taking this step. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a contact from your Pipedrive account. Remember, regular maintenance of your contact list can keep your CRM clean and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, keep your workflows flowing smoothly with Pipedrive.